this is my fourth take on this, and I'm just going to try to get through it. There's a little kid that's camped behind me that just keeps screaming at the top of his or her lungs, and it's kind of unnerving, but I think they're done. Anyway, I just wanted to share something with you guys that I just got. This is called the Solar Monkey Adventurer. It's a slimline solar-powered charger with an integrated battery. So the reason that I got this is I am an REI co-op member. So every year if you buy things there, you get a dividend back at the end of the year. Well, I never spent my dividend last year, and I guess it rolls over. So this year they sent me my little coupon for it, and it said I had about a $50 dividend. Also, they give me a 20% off one item coupon. So I thought, well, let me go see what they have that I might be able to get. So this ran about $90. So after my $50 off and my 20% off, I ended up paying just like, $20, $25 for this. So let's see. It comes in this really cool little carrying case, which was kind of a plus. Some of the other ones were pretty cool, but they didn't have the little case, and it's a solar panel, so it's breakable. So I thought, well, I probably need a case. But it's really cute. It is. It's pretty slim, and it just opens up, and there's your solar panel. So I put it out in the sun when I first got it yesterday just to see what it would do, and pretty much just this light's blinking. So I know it's got some charge in it, so I thought I would give it a shot and see if I can't charge up my phone. And yeah. So I've got my phone here, my little charger, and I just want to see how easy this is. Just go right in there. This charger, you can also plug it in using the wall, or you can use solar. So I have just used solar. I haven't charged it up with the wall yet. And I just left it out for like 3 or 4 hours the other night. But yep, it came right on. It's showing that it's charging. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I will let you guys know how this little thing works out. It's very lightweight. It's made for backpacking, because it's REI. Why are you thinking? But yep, I think I'm going to go set this in the sun while it's charging the phone. I think that's kind of the idea behind it. And see if we can get a full charge. And I'll come back in a little while and let you know. Meanwhile, I'm going to throw some chicken on the grill for dinner. Yep, so over here to the sun, see what happens. Okay, now it's showing it's not charging. Huh. Alright, I've got my little chair here. I will utilize it. Alright, let's see what happens. That red light's still blinking. So yeah, once again, this box had no information in it. It told me nothing, so I don't know. I don't get that. I guess everything's online now. Anyway, yep, let's see what's happening here. So I'm looking here on this box, and there's a little bit of specs and stuff. It's a 3500 something internal battery. Input solar and DC. Output USB port. Total weight 265 grams, sorry. So yeah, it'll charge your GPS, your tablet, your GoPro, your smartwatch, your smartphone. But it doesn't really tell me anything else. There's a website on there. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Instant power. We'll see. So I never could get this to do anything yesterday using regular solar, so I have got it plugged in. Now it's blinking, so I think it was just completely dead and it needs a real charge. Back to the test later. Alright, I've been charging this little solar panel thing up using shore power today, and the light has finally turned blue. So let's see if it'll charge up my phone. Alright, I plugged my phone in and it immediately started charging. So let's see if this will work. It's at 66%. I'll come back and check it in a little bit. Yep, we've got a solid blue light. So my take on this little solar panel is that it's basically just okay. I don't know. I couldn't even get it to hardly charge in the sun. I've got it plugged into shore power now, charging. I got one good phone charge off of it, and that light was had gone from blue to green to yellow to red. So I really don't know how useful it would be out on the trail, but I guess it would be better than nothing. And do I think it's worth $90? No. No, I don't. Do I think it's worth $20? Yeah, probably $20. And that's my take on that. Of course, I've only tried it the once, so I will give it more tries. And I'll let you know if it does any better. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your company. Y'all stay lost, my friends. Friends, I wanted to show you something that I just got. This is the I am a REI co-op member, so every year if you buy stuff from them, then the wind comes.